Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever understood English, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes empty?
Yes, you know the words, you understand the question, but your mouth doesn't move.
Exactly. This feeling is very common. Many English learners say the same thing.
They say, I can listen, I can read, but when I speak, I freeze.
Freezing means your brain stops for a moment. You feel nervous. You feel pressure.
And sometimes you feel scared of making mistakes.
That fear is very powerful. It makes simple English feel difficult.
But here's the good news. Freezing does not mean your English is bad.
Yes, it means your brain is trying to be perfect.
And perfection creates stress.
Today, we want to change that feeling. We want to make speaking feel lighter.
More natural, more human.
In this episode, we'll talk about why freezing happens.
And how you can slowly stop it.
No difficult grammar, no long rules.
Just real conversation. Simple English.
Before we continue, if you enjoy learning English through calm conversations like this,
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
it helps us keep making lessons for you.
And it helps you practice English more often.
Now, let's think about freezing again. Freezing often happens because we care.
We care about sounding right. We care about grammar. We care about how others see us.
But speaking is not a test,
It's a connection.
and connection doesn't need perfect English.
It needs courage and practice.
So today, let's be kind to ourselves.
Yes, you're not broken, you're learning.
When we freeze while speaking English, it doesn't happen by accident.
Yes, there is always a reason behind it.
One big reason is translation. Many learners translate in their head,
First, from English to their own language.
then back to English again.
That takes time, and during that time, the conversation moves on.
Your brain feels late.
And that creates stress.
Stress tells your body to stop.
That's when freezing happens.
Another reason is fear. Fear of mistakes.
Fear of sounding stupid. Fear of being judged.
Even simple sentences feel heavy then.
You know the words, but you don't trust yourself.
Trust is very important in speaking.
Without trust, your voice becomes quiet.
There is also pressure to be correct.
Perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation.
But real conversations are not perfect.
They are fast, they are messy, they are human.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
They just keep talking.
Another reason people freeze is thinking too much,
Thinking about every word.
thinking about rules.
Thinking about the listener's reaction.
All of that thinking blocks speaking.
Because speaking is a skill, not a test.
When you speak, your goal is not perfection.
Your goal is meaning.
Did the other person understand you?
That's what matters.
Freezing is not a language problem,
It's a confidence problem.
and confidence can be trained.
Slowly, gently, step by step.
You don't need to change everything today.
You just need to understand why freezing happens.
Once you understand it, you can start to change it.
And that change begins with small, safe practice.
Now that we understand freezing, let's talk about the brain.
Yes, because speaking starts in the brain.
Many learners think in their own language first.
Then they translate.
That slows everything down.
So the goal is simple. Think directly in English.
This sounds difficult at first.
But it starts with very small steps.
You don't need big sentences.
Small thoughts are enough.
For example, when you wake up.
You can think, I am awake.
When you stand up, I am standing.
When you walk, I am walking.
This is called narrating your life.
You describe what you are doing.
Only in English.
No translation.
At first, your brain will feel tired.
That's normal.
It means your English brain is working.
Like a muscle at the gym.
Another helpful idea is using pictures in your mind.
When you see an object, don't translate it.
Just see it.
And connect it to the English word.
Apple, chair, door.
Simple and direct.
Actions work the same way.
Cooking, driving, waiting.
Your brain learns faster this way.
Because there is no middle step.
Thinking in English feels strange at first.
But strange does not mean wrong.
It means new.
And new things become easy with repetition.
You don't need hours.
5 minutes a day is enough.
Now let's make this personal.
Think about your daily life.
Choose one moment today.
Morning, afternoon, or night.
Try to describe it in English.
Just 1 or 2 sentences.
No pressure.
No perfection.
This is practice, not a test.
Now it's your turn. Write one simple English sentence in comments about what you are doing today or what you did earlier.
Even when you understand English, responding can feel hard.
Yes, that moment of silence.
Your mind goes empty.
And the pressure grows.
This happens because your brain wants time.
But conversations move fast.
So we need simple tools to buy time.
And to stay calm.
One helpful idea is using short response phrases.
These phrases give your brain space.
For example, "That's a good question."
Or, let me think.
"You are not answering yet."
But you are still speaking.
That keeps the conversation alive.
And your confidence stays steady.
Another helpful habit is slowing your speed.
You don't need to speak fast.
Slow English is clear English.
People understand you better.
Take a small pause.
Breathe.
Then say one simple sentence.
Not a long answer.
Just the main idea.
For example, I'm not sure, but I think so.
That sentence is honest.
And very natural.
Another common problem is fear of mistakes.
Yes, that fear blocks the voice.
But mistakes do not stop communication.
Silence does.
If people understand your idea, you are doing well.
Grammar can improve later.
You can also repeat part of the question.
This helps your brain stay active.
For example, "So you're asking about work?"
Now your brain is already moving.
And the answer comes easier.
Small strategies make a big difference.
Responding is a skill.
And skills grow with practice.
You don't need perfect English.
You need calm English.
When you stay calm, words come back.
And each small response builds confidence for the next one.
Once you can respond calmly, the next step is real situations.
Yes, real life is different from practice.
People speak faster.
And they don't wait.
This is why small, real practice matters.
Not big speeches.
Simple moments.
Like a short chat at work.
Or a question in a shop.
Even a greeting matters.
Many learners wait for the perfect moment.
But perfect moments don't come.
Real progress comes from small risks.
Safe risks.
For example, ordering food.
You already know the words.
I'd like a coffee.
That's all, thank you.
Short.
Clear.
Another good place is daily routine.
Talking about today.
I'm busy today.
I'm a little tired.
These sentences are easy.
And very useful.
You don't need new grammar.
You need repetition.
The same sentence used many times.
That builds comfort.
It's also okay to keep answers short.
You don't have to explain everything.
One idea is enough.
Silence after a short answer is okay.
Another person may continue.
Conversation is shared.
Not a test.
Still, mistakes happen.
That's normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
What matters is staying engaged.
Listening and responding.
Every small interaction helps.
Each one trains your brain.
You begin to trust yourself.
And that trust changes everything.
Speaking feels lighter.
And English becomes part of your life.
Before we finish, let's slow down.
Yes, this is a good moment to review.
We talked about many useful ideas today.
Simple ideas you can really use.
Let's review some key words together.
Not too many, just the important ones.
First word is freeze.
Freeze means you cannot speak even when you know the words.
Example: I freeze when people speak fast.
Second word is respond.
Respond means to answer someone.
Example: I respond with short sentences.
Next word is practice.
Practice means doing something again and again.
Example: I practice English every day.
Another important word is mistake.
A mistake means something is not correct.
But mistakes help you learn.
Next word is confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
Example: my confidence grows when I speak.
We also used the word habit.
A habit is something you do often.
Speaking daily becomes a habit.
And one more word is comfort.
Comfort means you feel relaxed.
English feels easier when you feel comfort.
All these words work together,
They describe your speaking journey.
step by step.
Remember something important.
You do not need perfect English
You need small actions.
and daily courage.
If this episode helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel for more calm English practice.
Now we have a question for you.
Write in the comments.
What helps you most when you start to freeze?
A short answer is perfect.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep speaking. You're doing better than you think.